on. Can you see us?
Yeah. Let's get this bread.
So we just got back from our walk and feeding the birds, and I just made some hot chocolate, and this flavor is caramel cream, and it tastes very good, different from the regular hot chocolate, and I'm going to enjoy this now. It's dinner time, girly.
Hey, baby. Precious baby.
Now I'm eating my Ben & Jerry's, the Tonight Dough ice cream. This is one of my favorite ice creams. And what is in it is caramel and chocolate ice cream with chocolate cookie swirls and gobs of chocolate chip cookie dough and peanut butter cookie dough, and it tastes amazing. So that is what I'm eating for a snack. It's been a few minutes. It's been like an hour later, and Nan just made some popcorn. So this is my bag, and she made all of these from our popcorn machine that is downstairs, and this makes for a great snack.
Wow, that's unbelievable.
As you can see, the tree is behind me, and I wanted to come here to end today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll maybe see you tomorrow. Bye.